Hi everyone, this is Aaron Miranda. Let's read Snowbots by Aaron Reynolds, illustrated by David Barneda. In sleep mode, snoozing lying down in houses throughout Clackentown, the citizens are unaware of silver snowflakes in the air. Morning comes, alarm clocks beep, switched off by those who want more sleep. Wiping rust out of their eyes, robot children start to rise. Brush off fenders, shine and clean. Cereal with gasoline. Set for school and on their way, robots face another day. Surprises in the scenery send shocks to their machinery. A snowy blanket drapes the town. Botley Grade School closes down. A blizzard for the record books. Snatching scarves from grappling hooks, robots dash into the frost. Remote control completely lost. Second grader Chip McSqueak, first to clank up Scrapyard Peak. Trash can lid clutched in his fist, launches down into the mist. Sledding, racing without fears, powered by rotating gears. At the bottom, Chip is last. Bigger bots all steamrolled past. His bitty sister, Clockentine, has different kinds of play in mind. Robot angels on the ground, wingnuts waving up and down. Bots of every make and size fill the chill with joyful cries. Icy sculptures dot the lands, thanks in part to chainsaw hands. By afternoon, great battles roar. Supersonic snowballs soar. Snowball forts and snowball tanks. Snowball fights, resounding clanks. The bigger bots start to advance. The smaller bots don't stand a chance. Till Chip deploys quick-firing gear. His conquering team lets out a cheer. Then whoosh, a crushing wind chill factor, like a robot trash compactor, blows and pierces hulls with ease, shorting robot batteries. Robot brain freeze sets in quick as processors go click, click, stick. Shorted by the wintry blast, stand icy robots, frozen fast. Robot kids, refrigerated. Robot parents, activated. Metallic moms and dads of chrome tow their little robots home. To warm up every part in peace, there's cocoa spiked with axle grease. Steaming mugs meet clinking jaws. Outer casing finely thaws. A hot oil bath helps Chip relax. His copper ducky squeaks and quacks. Drying off and plugging in, charging systems up again. Steel and silver, tin and brass, warming through, restored at last. Into bed each snowbot goes, Eskimo kiss on metal nose. Drifting off, instead of sheep, some count snowflakes in their sleep. Others dream of winds that blow and hope tomorrow brings more snow. If you enjoyed this reading of Snowbots, take a minute to like and subscribe to our channel and see our website at www.annmiranda.com. Until next time, happy reading!